I want you to meet my friend Gary, the greater Gator. Now, Gator means alligator. Now, Gary over here, look at his big mouth. He eats everything, this side or that side, that he can find. Look at how big and fat his belly is. Gary is very selfish. When he goes to a party and he sees a little bag of chips, do you eat that, Gary? He won't eat that. Gary wants the biggest, the best, and the most chips for himself. Then Gary sees the cake. Gary, do you like the small cupcakes? He's so selfish. Gary wants the biggest cake for himself. He wants the biggest, greatest cake for himself. So, when Gary came into our math book, he did exactly the same thing. He doesn't want the small numbers. He doesn't want number 1 or 2. Do you like the small numbers, Gary? He wants the biggest, the best, the most numbers for himself. See, look how fat this stomach is. So what do you think Gary is going to choose? The 4 balls of clay? Or do you think Gary wants 3 balls of clay? Oh, he doesn't want 3. He says he wants the 4. Oh my goodness. Gary, please mind your manners. So Gary always wants the most. Oh my goodness, Gary. So it's very important to remember. If the big number, Gary always wants the big number. If the big number is this side of the sum, he will open his mouth wide. And if the big sum is that way, he will quickly swap and turn his mouth that way. What do you think we do if we have a 3 and a 3? Gary doesn't know what to do. So he's going to do this with his lips. Like an equal sign, because this one and this one will be the same. Let's look at some examples. Now remember, Gary always wants the big number. It doesn't matter on what side it is. You can use your number chart if you are not sure what to do. What is the biggest number? 91 or 27? I think Gary will open his mouth wide. You can see if we want to put his eye there and make some sharp teeth. Gary will eat the number 91 because that's the big number. 83 or 65? Which one is the biggest? Oh, definitely the 83. Gary is going to gobble that big number. Then we have number 57 and 59. Oh, he's going to swing around quickly and eat that one. He's going to open his mouth wide. Look at his sharp teeth. Now, I quickly want to show you something. When there's a number, this number is 22, and this number is 22, he doesn't know which one to eat. So he licks his lips in the middle and he goes, that's going to be delicious. Just like an equal sign.